Ozore Jetty, the cultural heart of Georgia's Korean region. It is a destination that beautifully combines tradition, history, and natural charm. Known for its tea plantation, lush landscapes, and proximity to the Black Sea coast, it offers travelers a unique blend of city life and rural tranquility. Each lodging here provides not only comfort but also a gateway to experience authentic Georgian warmth and the unspoiled beauty of Western Georgia. The first one is Minak Binary Hotel. Set amidst lush tea and crepe plantations, Minak Binary Hotel provides an elegant yet homely experience. Guests will come to spectacular breakfast and are welcomed with refreshing tea upon arrival. The surrounding gardens create a tranquil environment perfect for leisurely strolls. Friendly, attentive staff ensure a comfortable stay, ideal for travelers seeking serenity and a taste of local viticulture. The second one is Sister Zenganti Plantasia. This charming retreat is located within verdant garden, offering a peaceful escape for its guests. The rooms are tastefully styled and immaculately maintained, each offering delightful view. Guest praises the property's sense of claim and the thoughtful hospitality of its host. Free parking and Wi-Fi at the convenience. A perfect pick for those looking for an intimate, serene stay. The third one is River House. This riverside vacation home combines tranquil natural beauty with cozy comforts. Spacious interiors and barbecue facilities make it ideal for families or groups. Guests are consistently impressed by the breathtaking views, generous breakfast, and genuine hospitality. This setting feels like a peaceful retreat. It offers a balanced blend of rural charm and modern comfort. The fourth one is Woodhouse Gourmet, a home-style based in a lush setting. Woodhouse Gourmet offers a simple, rustic escape with polished hospitality. Clean rooms, a welcoming host, and coffee on demand bring a true home away from home feel. The peaceful countryside setting invites relaxation, ideal for guests who love simplicity with warm personal touch. The mountain atmosphere and cozy interior leave memorable impressions. The fifth one is Dumbo Eco Camp, an eco-conscious day that doesn't compromise on comfort. Dumbo Eco Camp offers rustic simplicity with thoughtful amenities. Highlights include a private beach area, free parking, and inviting rooms. Guests frequently affectionately note the attention to detail and connection to nature. It is perfect for those who appreciate sustainability alongside convenience. A quite great alternative in the region. The next one is Hostel Ozorgati. This centrally located hostel offers budget-friendly lodging without sacrificing neatness or friendliness. The newly renovated bathrooms and showers are consistently praised. Its walking distance location made explore the town easy. Helpful host and dependable service at its star. A practical and welcoming choice for solo travelers or budget-conscious visitors. The next one is Acacia Guest House. This guest house provides good value for a warm personal touch. While modest, its cleanliness and thoughtful hosting stand out. It is well suited for guests looking for simple comfort and attentive service. The atmosphere feels welcoming and local, ideal for travelers wanting friendly hospitality at an affordable price. The next one is VIP Ozagaki. This centrally located apartment provides spacious comfort with modern convenience. Guests enjoy self-catering, flexibility, free Wi-Fi, and privacy. Its protected location enhances accessibility to local sites and markets, ideal for independent travel best who value comfort, freedom, and convenience in the heart of the city. The second last is Kapravani Terrace. Situated close to Shakwetli Beach, this property offers claim coastal access with serene garden or beach views. As mentioned, its exceptional hospitality and peaceful surroundings as highlights. Its remote fee is balanced by easy access to coastal relaxation, ideal for beach lovers and those wanting relaxed proximity to Oreki and Shafif Tirif, a quiet place for unwinding near the sea. The last one is Greenhouse or Zorgeti. Greenhouse is a cozy guest house that combines comfort, greenery, and Georgian hospitality in a home-like setting. The property is surrounded by small garden and outdoor space where guests can relax with tea or coffee. Rooms are simple yet neatly furnished, offering a balance of practicality and warmth. Guests often mention the kindness of the host who provide local tips and create a welcoming atmosphere. Ozor Caddy's lounging option capture the region's hospitality and varied landscapes from vineyard retreat and riverside homes to eco camps and comfy guest houses. Whether you are staying for culture, nature, or convenience, these accommodations provide both personality and comfort, allowing you to experience Western Georgian in style and warmth.